All right, let's look at problems 3 and 4 on the Module 4 study guide. What's the area of the figure below? Okay, so we need the area of this parallelogram. We'll do that in red. This parallelogram and this semicircle. So we know that this length here, let's start with the semicircle, that length, the whole length is 7. We don't want the whole length for area, we want half. So half of 7 is 3.5. So let's start with the formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. Area equals 3.14 times the radius, 3.5 squared. And what we should actually do, because it's a semicircle, is actually put 1/2 in here. So it's 1/2 times 3.14 times 3.5 squared. And when you do that, let's see, 3.5 squared times 3.14, half of that. So the area is 19.2, we'll round that, centimeters squared. So that is for the semicircle. What about the parallelogram? The area, or the formula for the area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. So area equals 7 times 6, and we should keep our units, but I'm running out of space. So area equals 42 square centimeters. Simply what we do here is we add 19.2 and 42, and we'll get 61.2325 square centimeters. So the answer to number 3 is B. On to number 4. What is the surface area of the rectangular prism? Surface area, we start with the formula. Surface area equals perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times area of the base. Now the nice thing about rectangular prisms is anything can be the base. So let's just use the front here. I want to use this as the base. And so along the bottom that's 12, up the sides that's 5. So if we add these up, 12 and 5 is 17, plus 12 and 5 is 17, so that gives us 34. And the height of the prism, how far back does it go? That is 6. So 34 times 6 plus 2 times the area of the base. The area of the base will be 12 times 5, and that is 60. So let's rewrite this. 34 times 6 is 204 and square meters plus 120. And that gives us a surface area of 324 square meters. So the answer to number 4 is D.